A man was allegedly killed in Karachi's Sadar area on Friday, after a few hundred workers of a religio-political party stormed a place of worship belonging to the Ahmadi community, police said. Deputy Inspector General of Police Syed Asad Raza told that around 400 Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan-TLP workers gathered near the mobile market where the worship place is located. Law enforcement was already present due to recent similar incidents in other parts of the city. Police, rangers, and district administration responded swiftly and provided protection to community members inside the hall. However, near the auto parts market, a man was reportedly beaten by TLP workers and later died in hospital. Priyati Station House Officer Shabir Hussain confirmed the victim was from the Ahmadi community and had been filming the crowd near Hasha Center when he was fatally beaten. Police later moved 45 to 50 community members from the hall to safety. Last month, the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan noted a rise in mob-led attacks on religious minorities and places of worship.
At least one person died as a mob of Islamic radicals attacked a place of worship of minority Ahmadi community in Pakistan's Karachi. According to the spokesperson of the Ahmadi community, Mahmood, 100 to 200 people, beat a 47-year-old businessman to death with bricks and sticks. But he complained that police have been slow to take action against Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan-TLP protests nationwide. Karachi police rescued community members from the worship site after it was surrounded by demonstrators. Mahmood said Muhammad Safdar, superintendent of police for Karachi's Sadar area, confirmed the death. Safdar added that the mob later disappeared, with 15 people trapped inside the building to be rescued by the police. The mob, mostly from Pakistan's anti-blasphemy group Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, stormed through narrow streets of Sadar neighborhood, chanting slogans, where enraged Ahmadis were allegedly offering Friday prayers. Ahmadis, who number around 10 million worldwide, consider themselves Muslims and their faith is identical to mainstream Islam in almost every way, but their belief in another Messiah has marked them blasphemous non-believers. Pakistan's constitution has branded them non-Muslims since 1974, and a 1984 law forbids them from claiming their faith as Islamic. Unlike in other countries, they cannot refer to their places of worship as mosques, make the call to prayer, or travel on the Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca.